In this video, we're going to add custom biomes for TerraForge to use during map generation. More specifically, we're going to be creating an ocean, beach, and mountain biome. So to begin, we're going to create an empty dictionary for each biome. So just down underneath our noise types, we're going to create an ocean, empty dictionary, beach, and then a mountain. Next, we're going to give each biome a color, which determines how they show up on the generated biome map. So for the ocean, we're going to do the color option, and I'm going to put a hex color here. I do 1E, 3A, 8A. And then we're going to do the same thing for the beach here. And for this one, I'll do F4A261. And again, we're going to repeat for the mountain. And so for this one, I'll just do a nice gray color, so 707070. Okay. Now we're going to define the biome rules. These rules tell TerraForge where each biome should appear on the map by checking the value of a specific noise type, in this case, elevation. Each biome has a range of elevation values. If a tile's elevation falls within that range, that biome gets placed there. Alright, so starting with our ocean biome, I'm just going to go in here and add a rules key. And this is essentially another dictionary. So inside of here, we'll do elevation as the key. And then as the value, we're going to put our elevation range. So the range for our ocean is going to be between 0 and 0.4. Now we're going to do the same for the beach here, but instead of 0 and 0.4, we'll have the range be between 0.4 and 0.5. And again, we repeat for the mountain. And so for this one, we're going to have the range be between 0.5 and 1. The last thing we have to do is add the biomes to TerraForge, and in order to do that, we have to pass the biomes in as a list. So we'll just create right here, a list. So we'll do biomes is equal to an empty list. Then inside of there, we'll do ocean, beach, and then mountain. Mountain. And finally, we just have to pass that into our TerraForge object here. So underneath here, we'll just do biomes is equal to biomes like so. Now, TerraForge will generate maps using your custom biomes. In the next video, we're going to use multiple noise types like elevation and moisture, along with more custom biomes like swamps and deserts in order to generate more interesting maps, so stay tuned for that. If you want written tutorials on how TerraForge works, check out the TerraForge Wiki on GitHub. If you're looking for more advanced features, take a look at TerraForge Pro on my Gumroad. Thank you for watching.